Hi guys, welcome to AC Technical. In this video, I'll be showing you how to re-enable a critical feature of Windows 11 and Windows 10 that Microsoft disabled. If you are a Windows user, you probably know how important the registry is. It's essentially the brain of your operating system, storing all the settings and configurations. But did you know Microsoft disabled automatic registry backups by default? That's mean your system is not creating periodic backups of the registry anymore. Don't worry, here I'll show you how to re-enable this critical feature step by step, and I will explain everything so it's super easy to follow. Just stick around because I will also explain how to safely create a manual backups and restore them in case if something goes wrong. So let's get started. So what exactly the Windows registry? Think of it as a huge database that stores every settings on your computer. Hardware configuration, software settings, user preferences and more. If the registry get corrupted due to a malware attack or accidental changes, it can cause serious issues like crashes or program failing to run. That's why the backups are very important. A registry backup acts as a safety net, allowing you to restore your system to a functional state. Before 2018, Windows automatically saved backup to a folder called regback, but Microsoft disabled this feature to save disk space. However, let's fix that now. First, we will open the Registry Editor. Go to Windows Search, then type regedit. If you see a user account control prompt asking for permissions, click Yes. Now remember, the registry editor is a powerful tool, so be careful. Any accidental changes here could harm your system. Always follow the steps precisely. Once inside the registry editor, look to the left hand panel. You will see three structures with folders. Expand the following keys one by one. First, expand HKey local machine. Then expand System. Next, expand Current Control Set. After that, expand Control. Next, expand Session Manager. Now, under Session Manager, look for a sub-key named Configuration Manager. If it's not there, you can create it yourself. Right-click on Session Manager, choose New, then Key and name it Configuration Manager. Next, we will create or modify a value called Enable Periodic Backup. With the Configuration Manager key selected, right-click in the empty space on the right. Choose New. Then reword 32-bit value. Name it as Enable Periodic Backup without space. If this value already exists, just double-click it. Now in the value data field, enter 1 to enable periodic backups. Make sure the base is set to hexadecimal, which is usually by default. Now click OK. That's it. To apply the changes, you will need to restart your computer. Once you reboot, Windows will begin creating registry backups automatically and saving them to the folder. After restarting, let's confirm that the automatic backups are working. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Now type this command to view the contents of the regback folder. Type dir space c colon /windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter. You should see files like default, SAM, security, software, and system. If these files are present and have a file size greater than 0, that's mean your backups are working properly. If backups are not working, then go to search box and open Task Scheduler. Expand Task Scheduler library, then expand Microsoft. After that, expand Windows. and then expand Registry. Locate the task's name Reg Idle Backup. Now click on Create Task. Give a name for this new task. Next, click on Change User or Group. Then click on Advanced and click on Find Now button. Now select System from the search results and click on OK. Now check this Run with Highest Privileges box. Configure this task for Windows 10. Next, go to Triggers tab and click on New button. Configure a trigger to run the task periodically. For example, set it to run at startup time. Click on OK to save the new trigger. In the Action tab, click New and choose a startup program. In the program or script field, type sch tasks space /run space /I space /tn space \Microsoft \Windows \registry \reg idle backup and click on OK and click on Yes. Now go to Conditions tab and uncheck these two power options. Now check this run task as soon as possible after a scheduled start is missed box. And finally click on OK. Now reboot once to apply the changes. This command runs the task interactively at startup time. After rebooting, check the registry backup folder to verify that the files like default, SAM, security software, and system have been updated. Okay, as you can see that the default SAM, security software, and system folder have been updated successfully. Now let's see how to restore a backup. If you ever need to restore a backup from the recovery environment, you will need to put into Windows recovery environment. Once there, use the following command to copy the backup files back to the original folder. Type copy space C:\Windows \system32 \config \regbag ** C:\Windows \system32 \config and hit enter. This will overwrite the active registry files with the backup. Be sure to only do this if you are certain the backup is needed. And that's it. You have successfully enabled automatic registry backups in Windows. This simple tweak can save you from a lot of headaches. So, I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.